Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q5 and I'm going to try to enable the Laptimer feature over here. So the ignition is already on. I have OBDeleven over here, which is already connected to the car. I'm going to enter the list of all modules and scroll to module 17, which is the dashboard, the instrument cluster. Over here we need to go to long coding and we need to find feature called lap counter. It's set to no, so let's switch it to yes. Slide to right. Coding was accepted, and right now we can disconnect from the vehicle and we can check if the feature is already available over here. Okay, so I turned the ignition back on, and right now I need to use this button to go to the left to the board computer, and now I need to use this button next to the control wheel to show the additional menu, sub-menu. So we have the computer, we have lap times. Additionally, we have the oil temperature display and the boost meter over here. And what's else over here? We have lap statistics, so we can check best times, I believe, over here. So you can play around with this menu. I'm not sure if you are going to race your car, but the Laptimer feature is here, so you can check it out and give it a try. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.